Dear friends and family of HOVERair, it's me again, MQ Wang, founder and CEO of Robotics. Today I'm sitting in this beautiful Chinese ink painting from my hometown Hangzhou on this lake of 1,000 islands to present to you our newest creation, a very special product. Introducing the world's first water-native self-flying camera, the HOVERair Aqua. As the name suggests, the Aqua was designed for water activities from the very beginning. And let me show you how it works. You simply just throw it into water. Even if it's upside down, that's okay. Now at the press of a button, it will automatically take off from water. And then it will position me automatically before starting doing automatic shots. Right now, it's doing a 180 orbiting shot around me. And after it's completing the shot, it will land back into water. There you go. The world's first waterborne self-flying camera.